Future of work. Imagine that everything you were taught in school, university and courses will become almost worthless in 5 to 10 years. Not because it's bad, but because the world is changing faster than you can learn, and the most dangerous thing here is not that skills become obsolete. It's that most people don't even notice it happening. If you want to understand which professions will disappear, which skills will lose value, and what will actually matter in the future, watch this video to the end. And yes, subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because we cover topics like this in depth without fluff. Introduction. We are living in a unique time. There has never been such an acceleration of change in human history. In the past, a person could learn a craft and work with it for 30, 40 years. A blacksmith became a blacksmith, a baker became a baker, an engineer stayed an engineer, and that was enough to live a stable life. Today, things are different. Skills are becoming obsolete faster than you can monetize them. And the problem is not that the world has become bad. The problem is that it has become too efficient. Chapter 1. Why skills become obsolete. There are 3 main reasons skills lose value. Automation machines, algorithms, and neural networks take over. Everything that can be formalized, if a task can be described step by step, it will eventually be automated. Accounting, translation, basics or analytics, technical support, even design and entry-level programming are already partially automated. Knowledge. Becoming cheap in the past, knowledge was rare. To learn something, you had to go to university, read books, work with a mentor, now YouTube online, courses, AI tools, open knowledge bases. Knowledge has become free and therefore less valuable. The technological acceleration, what used to take 10 years now happens in 1 to 2 years, and this is the key point. A skill doesn't have time to pay off before it becomes outdated. Chapter 2. How skill obsolescence looks in real life. Skills don't disappear suddenly. They lose value gradually. Here's how it happens. Stage 1. The skill is in demand. Good salaries. High demand. Stage 2. Tools appear, software and systems start speeding up the work. Stage 3. The skill becomes cheap, competition grows. Salaries drop. Stage 4. Automation, only rare specialists remain. Stage 5. Replacement by systems. Humans are replaced by algorithms or platforms. And the most dangerous part, many people get stuck at stage 2 or 3 thinking everything is still stable. Chapter 3. Which skills become obsolete first? Let's be honest. Here are the categories of skills already losing. Domain 1. Routine office skills, data, entry, reporting, basic, analytics, document processing, simple content, creation, template-based writing, basic logo, design, simple video, editing, low-level SEO, articles. 3. Repetitive, technical tasks, basic coding, template, website, standard system setup. 4. Instruction-based skills, if you can follow a guide step by step, it is already vulnerable. Chapter 4. The biggest mistake people make. The biggest mistake is thinking I will learn one skill once and be safe forever. But today, that no longer works. Now it's not about what you know, but how fast you can relearn. Because in 5 years, your profession may change, your tools may disappear, your market may transform, and the only thing that remains is your ability to adapt. Chapter 5. Skills that will grow in value. If some skills die, others become more important. Here's what will matter. Learning how to learn quickly is the #1 skill of the future. Not knowledge, but learning speed. Working with AI and tools, not competing with technology, but using it. Critical thinking. When information is overwhelming, the thinker wins. Creativity. Something that cannot be fully automated. Communication and influence, the ability to negotiate, sell ideas and persuade. Chapter 6. The hard truth. Many people hope, I'll just learn a profession and be safe. But the truth is, safety no longer exists. There is only adaptation speed, and this is not negative. It is reality. Chapter 7. What you should do. Here is a practical approach. Step 1. Stop thinking in professions. Start thinking in skills. Step 2. Build a skill portfolio. Not one job, a combination of skills. Step 3. Learn constantly. Not once a year, every week. Step 4. Use technology. Don't fear AI. It is an amplifier, not an enemy. Chapter 8. The core idea. The world is not killing skills, it is killing slow learners. If you learn faster than the market changes, you are safe. If not, any skill will eventually become obsolete. Final message. We live in an era where stability is an illusion. But there is also good news. For the first time in history, everyone has access to unlimited knowledge, and that means success no longer belongs to those with the best start, but to those who adapt the fastest. If this was valuable, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps grow the channel and create more deep content like this. And write in the comments, which skills do you think are already becoming obsolete?